Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Anna Vanila and my channel is Anna Vanila Arts, and I welcome you. And if you are a beginner, this tutorial should be very good for you, very useful in making probably clothes in the future, and any kind of garments will be great to make. And as you can see, is a stitch for beginners, and it's actually it works like an elastic band, so it's a bit stretchy. As you can see, it's the same thing at the back, so it's basically you repeat all over again on the back as it is on the front. This technique, this elastic, so-called elastic band, you can use at the end of clothes, like the edges, the actually cuffs, and all sorts of other things that you may need and in the future. And this is it's a basic knitting stitch. As you can see, it stretches very nicely, especially if you use wool or acrylic yarn, it will stretch even more. In this instance, it's acrylic yarn. I use needles 5.5, and I have 20 stitches. I think it's 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, 21 stitches I cast on. If you know how to cast on to the needles, then after the second row you start this pattern when you want to knit it. So with the right needle we grab the first loop and we do not knit it. We always need to put this loop onto the right needle and never ever knit. Every first loop you do not knit. Then we can begin with this row with front stitch or with a purl stitch. In this instance I have a purl stitch because I've knitted the purl stitch before this video. So, and then the next is a front stitch. So purl stitch, then one front stitch, purl stitch, front stitch, purl stitch, front stitch, purl stitch, front stitch, and so on. So this is what you do on the first front area of your clothing when you knit, and this is what you also do on the back. I would also suggest for you to put a marker on the side which is the front for your garment. By the way, the last loop we always knit it with a purl stitch. We do it like with a purl stitch. Then we turned onto the wrong side, onto the back. Then we do not knit the first loop, and now we knit the purl stitch that was on the front side. Now it's a front stitch, so we knitted front stitch and then the purl stitch, front stitch, purl stitch. And this is how you actually follow this pattern. Basically what you see on to this knitted part is what you need. So you see the purl, you need the purl. You see a stitch here, front stitch, you need the front stitch, and so on. You basically need what you see. It's very easy. And then so you finish this, and then we get on the front again, and then the first loop we do not need, and again we need purl stitch and then front stitch, and so on. One like this and one like that. It's very easy and quick to make it. So thank you very much for watching and subscribing and for leaving positive comments. I am Vanila. I hope you have a joy knitting this pattern, this elasticated band, elasticated stitch in knitting, and I wish you absolute luck and love about your work. And I'm sending much love to you all, and we see each other in the next couple of videos. Thank you very much for watching.